Hello folks. Interesting problems occur in the world, especially in a world where humans are there. Humans find all loopholes in everything, right? So I'm standing in Bangalore, Karnataka, and this is actually a petrol bunk, right? And that's the road. Interestingly, the road is all blocked. So what people are doing is people who don't even want to actually use the petrol bunk, but they just want to actually ride through the traffic. So they're actually getting into the petrol bunk and trying to move through this, right? Just now the traffic left, so it moved, so everyone left. But then when there is actually a red signal and everyone is like stuck in traffic, people actually come through this turn, this curve, and just wait, right? They just want to move ahead, and it will cause a lot of bottleneck over here when the curve ends, right? And the funny thing is, when more and more people do this, the petrol bunk is going to be filled up with people who are not going to use the petrol bunk and who are just causing a lot of bottleneck and space crunch inside the petrol bunk and waiting for the traffic to open up, right? So again, it's actually going to stop. Let me show you. It's going to stop, and again people are going to do this, right? So that is the traffic going on, right? So the traffic is currently moving in, but then at some point it's going to stop. I can already see it stopping and horns honking. So once this stops, you can actually start seeing people over here, this space. People will start crowding in that space and in the space in the petrol bunk. This space where the bus is standing, ideally people will come around and they'll stand in front of the bus, and they'll stand over here where the autos are standing, right? They'll get through, all the two-wheelers will get through, all the small vehicles, autos will get through over here. In a moment's time, I think you should be able to see people crowding up this space and starting to fill up the gaps. I can already see people filling up the gaps. So those are some gaps that you can see between the cars. And there is a car trying to come out of the petrol bunk over here, and you can actually see all the two-wheelers crowding up in this space. This space is empty, so more will come in, and this bus is coming in, right? So you'll probably start seeing that space also getting crowded up in some time. Some two-wheelers from behind will come in. So basically any small space that you can see, a two-wheeler will come in and it will actually use up the space, and it will cause more traffic. It's just the way it is in most places in India, and I think probably even places like say Indonesia or whatever, wherever it's like India, people will just crowd up because it's a populated place, traffic is bad, and people just want to go ahead and they're not patient. Their impatience is causing more problems and more traffic. Anyways, it's an interesting problem. It would have actually caused more and more chaos for the petrol bunk and for the road, because when a lot of people crowd up and it clog and block the road, because it's like a bottleneck where the people try to come from the petrol bunk, through the petrol bunk into the road. It's a small narrow road, but you know, outside away from the road is a petrol bunk, but connected to the road, and it's kind of like it has kind of become like an extension of the road, and hence people starting to crowd up over there and causing traffic, right? I mean, I would rather expect people to be more patient, but that's like a very funny thing to expect from people, at least from the general audience. I think even if I was driving, I'll probably end up doing this. I don't know. I'm also a two-wheeler driver. I guess I'll end up like the general audience or the general, general public. general people who actually just crowd up spaces using their two-wheelers on the roads and causing more traffic and more trouble than is necessary. And so yeah, just an interesting problem that I noticed, everyday problem, you know, two-wheelers and vehicles causing problems on the road by using up more space. So yeah, I mean, that's all I had for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.